Tomorrow we're going to add in subtracting, so that'll get a little bit trickier. But we'll just get a little bit of practice to do. So let's start with, if I got negative 13 plus 9, the process you kind of want to go through, your thought process on these, first thing we're going to do is add are the signs. In this case, 13 plus 9 are the signs the same? No. If the signs are not the same, we are going to subtract. So 13 minus 9, 4. After you subtract them, use the sign of the bigger number. Out of these two, 13 is a bigger number than 9, since 13 is negative. That makes our answer negative 4. Everybody kind of follow? Questions on that? That's really all you have to remember. So if we look at another one, are the signs the same? Yeah. If the signs are the same, we're going to add. So 4 plus 6, 10. Once we add, we keep the sign. Really, if you want, you can think of it as still sign of a bigger number. They're both the same, it doesn't matter which one's bigger, but that's the sign you use, right? Any questions on that? Yes. We're not looking for which one's greater. What we're looking for when I say bigger number is a bigger absolute value. The one that looks bigger, we can just kind of look at it ignoring the sign. Okay? So the one that's farther away from the field, so when you combine them, that's why it needs that sign. It's still going to be farther. I'll go ahead and try those 3. Number 1, Kyle, what do you get? Negative 22 is correct. Signs are the same, they're both negative, so we add 7 plus 15 is 22. Keep the sign, so that makes it a negative 22. Number 2, 5 plus negative 3. Lacey, 2 is correct. Signs are different, so we subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. We use the sign of the larger absolute value, the bigger number. That is 5. 5 was positive, so that makes it positive 2. Number 3, Mason. Negative 3 is correct. Signs are different, so again, we're subtracting. We're going to use the sign of that bigger number. So the bigger number is the 9, that's negative. So we get negative 3. Any questions on this? As I said the other day, the math part of this is not anything that should be super difficult. It's just keeping straight which rule, whether you're adding or subtracting, and then remembering which sign to use. So let's go a little tougher then. You got negative 9 plus 3 plus 8 plus negative 7. Gray, what'd you get?
-5.
-5 is correct. All right, so the way I see it, there's more than one way to do this, but I would say two main ways. I'll show you each of those. First way, just work your way from left to right, just like you would with the order of operations. So if I've got -9 plus 3, signs are different, so we subtract, use the sign of the bigger number, that's -6. And we just keep going, adding on the next part. So +8, -6 plus 8, signs are different. Oh, we subtract, sign of the bigger number, so that's positive. Then we got finally the plus -7. Again, signs are different. We subtract, sign of the bigger number, that gives us that -5. All right, so that's one way to do it. How many of y'all just did it that way, went from left to right? About half? All right. The other main way, or the other way I would look at it, and this is the way I would do it, is I'm going to combine the negatives, combine the positives. So when I'm combining the negatives, signs are the same, so I'm going to add. -9 and -7, going to make a -16. Do the same thing with my positive numbers, 3 and 8, makes 11. So now I'm going to add them together. Signs are different, subtract, sign the bigger number. It really doesn't make a difference which way you do it, and there are other ways always to do stuff, but either way should get you -5 if done correctly. Any questions on that?